So you've seen ants inside, outside, or both, and you've purchased the Wilson Ant Out Ant Killer Dust. Today we're going to jump in, go over how to use the product, how it works, and exactly what you can do to get rid of your ant problem. So let's jump into what exactly is the Wilson Ant Killer Dust. It is actually silicon dioxide, so it's not like other products that have an active ingredient that's killing them. You could picture this as extremely fine, sharp powder. Picture almost microscopic shards of glass. And when the insects walk over it, it will cut them. And then that will end up killing them because they have an exoskeleton. The claim on the label, which always read the label fully before you use any product, follow the direction according to the label. They claim that within 48 hours, usually the insects get killed off. I would say with our experience, wait closer for 7 to 10 days for results. 48 can happen, but often when you're using a product like this, it can take a little bit longer to work, but it is very safe to use. It's also registered for both indoor and outdoor use. So if you're seeing ants around the foundation of your structure, you can use it outside, or if you're seeing ants inside, you can also use it inside. The big key point with this is if this product gets wet, it does stop working. So especially if you're using it outdoors, if it rains, when it dries, you will need to reapply this because it will no longer be effective. So where do you put it? The best place to put it is where you're seeing the ants. So if you see ant hills or you're seeing ant activity, these are the areas where you want to put the product. This will ensure that they come into contact with it because this product is a contact killer. They're not going to pick it up and move it around like a bait. This is an actual, they need to come into contact to kill them off. It comes with a very easy open spout, and you can just apply the powder in the areas where you're seeing the issue. And you can see it's a very fine white powder, easy to see, easy to monitor. You can also see if the bugs are going through it. When we use a product like this, we like to use a Bellow duster in order to apply it. There's a few reasons for that. It fills with air. You essentially put the product in the top, and then you have really good control with how you apply it. A lot of people think, and this is a huge misconception, that more is better. You actually want to have it very fine. You want to pump it either out of the can or out of the Bellow duster in a very fine, even layer, so that the ants don't see it and it covers a whole area. If it's a very fine line, they'll walk through it, come into contact with it, and then it will work. If you put big piles of it, they're smart. They see that, they walk around it. So that's probably the biggest misuse that we see, is more can be good if it's spread properly, but more in a pile where you see it and it's clumpy is not good. Again, if you're doing it inside and you're using it in an area where there's a lot of moisture, also follow up and check it because it can get clumpy. If that happens, you want to remove it and reapply it so it's fresh, granular, and they're going to go right through it and it's going to work really well. So now, if you don't see the ants, where's good spots to apply this? You want to apply it in areas where ants are going to be attracted. And that's always going to be where there's food or moisture. Kitchens, pantries, areas where ants will frequent or where they can get an easy meal is a great spot to try to intercept them when they're going for that. And then areas with moisture include kitchens, washrooms, areas with plumbing, or around sliding glass doors or big windows. Often they'll be a source of moisture. If there's some broken silicone, water gets in there, ants love this. So you apply this, follow up, monitor it. We generally recommend checking it every 48 hours. Again, make sure that it's spread evenly and it's working. But I would say give it about 7 to 10 days to actually see results. Continue to apply, continue to apply. If it does go 3+ weeks and you still have an issue, you might need something a little bit stronger than this. But overall, if it's a low infestation and it's somewhere that's somewhat sensitive, it's a very easy to use, safe product and can definitely help you with getting control over your ants. Do you want to learn more about ant spraying? Check out Trapper Tony's video of an in-depth overview of ant sprays. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more pest control tips and tricks.